Hey y'all, it's Bobby with JB Toy Review, and today I have a very exciting thing. Masters of the Universe, the classic Mermista from the Princess of Powers 30th anniversary in 2014. So there she is in the packaging. You can see she's got a shield, looks like a stand, and then her little horn. Let y'all get a look at the back. All right, let's get her open. Well, here she is out of the packaging. She is stunning. Look at the mermaid tail. Alright, articulation. Head doesn't move too terribly much. Arms. Bend 90. Straighten out. Elbow up. Elbow down. Fishtail only moves, or her mermaid tail only moves forward, and then has a second bend at where the knees would be. And then the flipper moves that far forward, that far back. She does come with an extra set of legs. Her horn. And a shield. Not sure how you're supposed to use the sheet or the stand, because it doesn't seem to want to hold her up, but that's fine. Probably get her own stand anyway. That's so cool. As soon as I saw the original ones, or found some up in Gastonia, I was hooked and I knew I had to have her in my collection. All right, let's take some pictures. So I guess I can go over articulation in the legs. She can kick out that far, bends to 90, doesn't move forward, and a little ankle flex. Awesome. Thanks so much.